Ever see a machine online and think, hold on, I could sell that in my country? You're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful industrial machines being used across China. Machines you can import and turn into real businesses. But we're not just showcasing them, we're giving you real-world guidance to help you import them safely and smartly. How to find them on Alibaba, how to contact and vet suppliers, when to use sourcing agents in China, and how to avoid beginner importing mistakes. Whether you're a reseller, factory owner, or just an entrepreneur with a dream, this video could open serious doors. Let's get into it. 1. Tortilla making machine. If you're in a country with high demand for flatbreads, like tortillas, chapatis, or Egyptian baladi, this machine can turn what's usually done by hand into a fast, automated process. You simply load it with dough made from flour, water, and salt. The machine shapes it into balls, presses them into thin discs, and cooks them on a rotating hot plate. Some models even stack the tortillas, ready for packaging. To run it, you'll just need dough, water, electricity, and packaging materials like plastic wraps. Entry-level machines cost around $1,200 to $2,000, while commercial tabletop models go up to $4,000. They can produce 800 to 1,200 tortillas per hour. If you're selling at 10 cents each, that's 1,000 plus in daily revenue, with potential net profits of $300 to $400 per day. To import it from China, search Alibaba for tortilla making machine or flatbread maker. Use filters like verified supplier and trade assurance, and look for sellers with at least 4 years of experience. Ask for a factory video showing the machine in action. Request export certifications like CE or UL. Confirm power voltage compatibility. Check what parts and accessories are included. Serious buyers should consider hiring a China-based sourcing agent to inspect the factory and verify product quality. Agents like Easy IMEX, Found My Sourcing, or Sourcing Bro can help, and if you don't want to deal with customs, ask about DDP, Delivered Duty Paid Shipping. It covers everything from factory pickup to your door. 2. Cold press oil extraction machine. For the health-conscious market, cold-pressed oils are gold, nanlayos porquestats, and this machine lets you create them right in your own facility. You load in raw seeds or nuts like sunflower, sesame, or black seed. The machine slowly crushes them, extracting pure oil on one side and dry cake on the other, all without heat or chemicals. To get started, you'll need raw seeds, clean bottles or jars, electricity, and packaging if you're building a brand. Machines start around $500 and can go up to $2,500, with outputs of 5 to 15 liters per hour and retail pricing between $4 to $6, $10 per liter. You can generate $50 an hour in revenue, or up to $300 profit per day if you market it well. To import, search Alibaba for cold press oil machine or oil expeller. Check what seeds it supports, how much oil it produces per hour, warranty terms, and whether it includes spare parts. Request a video of the machine running, use trade assurance and check reviews. Ask for the supplier's license and ISO certificates. These machines are heavy. Air freight is quick but pricey. Sea freight is cheaper, especially if your forwarder handles customs clearance and last mile delivery. 3D clay printer. This one's a game changer for decor, pottery, and handmade goods, automating creation while keeping an artisan feel. It prints real clay, pushing it through a pressurized nozzle to form items like vases and cups layer by layer. After printing, you air dry the pieces, fire them in a kiln, and glaze if needed. To operate one, you'll need clay paste or filament, a drying area, electricity, and a kiln. Optional extras: paint, glaze, or turntable for finishing touches. Prices range from $1,000 to $2,500 depending on size. You can create 20 to 50 pieces a day. With pricing between $15 and $50 per item, you're looking at up to $1,500 in daily sales and high profit margins, often over 60%. On Alibaba, search for ceramic 3D printer or clay 3D printer. Ask what clay types it supports. Check nozzle size, build volume, and included software. Request a demo video with actual clay. Confirm shipping weight and packaging. These machines are fragile. Sourcing companies like Jing Sourcing or Guided Imports can help with factory checks and shipping coordination. Also consider ordering sample clay to test before going all in. Some sellers offer bundles that include both the machine and clay starter kits. 4th, embroidery machine. If you're looking for something with high resale and production value, this is it. From uniforms to gifts and decor, embroidery sells everywhere. This machine stitches logos, monograms, and patterns onto fabric. Just upload your design, and it automatically sews it onto shirts, hats, or bags using multiple threaded needles. You'll need embroidery threads, blanks like t-shirts or caps, stabilizers, electricity, and packaging. Single-head commercial machines cost $1,500 to $3,000. They can embroider 30 to 50 items per day. At $5 to $15 per item, that's $150 to $500 in potential daily revenue with profit margins above 70%. Search terms like single-head embroidery machine or cap embroidery machine on Alibaba. Ask if software is included. Check file format, support, DST, PES, etc. Request videos showing different fabrics being embroidered. Confirm voltage compatibility and shipping dimensions. For safety, request wooden packaging and consider hiring a third-party inspection service like SGS or Asia Inspection. 5. Powder packing machine. Want in on the booming packaged goods industry? This machine can launch you fast. It fills and seals pouches with powdered products, like protein, spices, or detergent. It uses augers or volume controls for accuracy and seals using heat. Some models even print manufacturing dates onto the packs. You'll need powdered material, pouch film rolls or pre-made bags, electricity, and labels or ink for branding. Semi-auto units start at $800. Fully automated ones go up to $3,000. These machines can pack up to 2,000 pouches a day. At $1 per pouch, that's $2,000 in revenue and up to $1,200 in daily profit. Search Alibaba for powder packing machine or spice filling machine. Ask about pouch sizes it supports and sealing method. Check power specs for your region. See if it includes video tutorials or manuals. Request documentation for food grade compliance if you're packaging edible products. Customs. Tip: if you're importing a powder packing machine for food products, ask the supplier if it complies with FDA or EU food contact standards. Request the documentation in advance to avoid customs clearance delays. These aren't just cool machines, they're real business assets. Importing from China isn't rocket science, but it can go wrong if you don't know what to ask, so be smart. Use trade assurance, vet your suppliers, don't skip inspections. If this helped, drop a comment telling us which machine you'd import. And if you want a full Alibaba buying guide, let us know and we'll make it. Until next time, keep building smart.